Hi, Mike is here from Mike's Online Biz Insights. I'm not sure whether you are looking for paid online writing jobs to become a freelancer, or you specifically want to know more about the platform called Paid Online Writing Jobs. Well, in this Paid Online Writing Jobs review, I'm going to reveal some information regarding the specific platform. But in case you're looking for paid online writing jobs in a general sense, you might wanna stick and watch this video until the end, since I might have something for you as well. Back in 2018, I started to work on my own website. I've created a lot of content, so I think I have some experience regarding the online writing jobs, and I can reveal some information regarding specific jobs, especially for the 2024 with a lot of AI writing tools and stuff like that. Let's check the platform. What is it all about? Well, first of all, this platform promises you that you can make 25 to 35 US dollars per hour. Apparently, they have hundreds of employees that you can work for, so there is no fear of losing job. Sounds very promising. Also, you are promised to get paid at the end of each week. What you need to do is enter your name, your email, get the access, and the system will check current writing jobs to check which ones you are compatible with. So let's sign up and let's see how it really works. I will be using some email address that I don't care about, since in my experience you will be getting a lot of offers that are not live up to their promises. Let's get the access now. Thousands of people just like me have joined the one revolution and ditched their job. Will you be next? So apparently, once I'm inside of the dashboard, I should be provided with some database of jobs where I can apply. I can start to write the content, and at the end of the week I'll be paid. And it is now on sale, and I can get it for 27 bucks. Alright, let's try this. I am redirected to a ClickBank. This is a ClickBank product, which is a good thing. And I see that it costs only 99 cents. But this is for 3 days only, since my next payment will be billed on September 27th. That's in 3 days from the time of recording this video. And there are some other recommendations for 47 cents and for 27 cents. So let me tell you what is inside. Once you are inside, you might get offers like this, saying that the system has flagged you as the perfect person for the writing jobs from Slovakia. And I would be wondering, based on what skills I was chosen as a perfect person, since I haven't provided any information, but yet I am the chosen one from my country. And please note that wherever you are, you will be always getting this message saying that you are a perfect person for writing job from your region, from your country. So regardless of your location, you always will be the perfect person. That's a bit of misleading. And we will see in the end of the video that this entire platform, paidonlinewritingjobs.com, is misleading, unfortunately. It's not a scam, but it's misleading. Let's go further. Let me also tell you something about the price. It's not the final price. The 27 bucks that was discounted to 50 cents, it's not the final price. And as an affiliate, you have the access to the website paidonlinewritingjobs.com/affiliates, where you can see the entire upsell flow. So this is the front end price that used to be 97 bucks. If you decline, it's supposed to be 67 bucks. As we have seen these days, it's 27 bucks discounted to some 50 cents. But once you are in and they already have your credit card information or PayPal information, you will be offered some more product, different offers, where you're supposed to pay another additionally 57 or 37 bucks, and then yet another upsell that costs 37 bucks. So you might end up paying about 100, maybe even more bucks for basically stuff that is available for free. Let me show you what I mean. Besides the very general and shallow training inside of the platform, you are redirected to so-called job offers that are available on freelancer.com, upwork.com, and guru.com. As you can see, these websites are easily accessible for free. So there's no need to pay any money to the paid online writing jobs platform. So in case you are looking for a writing job as a freelancer, you might go to check these websites and find it by yourself for free. You just write down skills that you're looking for and you might apply it for the job. But as a freelance writer, I don't think it's very viable these days, since you might know that there is like AI tools, for example, like ChatGPT, that can write quite a good content, and these softwares, these tools are basically replacing people that are a content writer. So if you still enjoy writing content, I suggest to create your own website, choose your specific field that you are familiar with and start creating content around this niche. There is also a good training that can guide you step by step of how to do it. You can let the AI to write the content, you can edit the content, and once you're happy with that, you can publish the content on your website. And with such a tool, you can speed up the process and you can have a lot of content on your website within a few weeks. Let me get back to the paid online writing jobs. And let me show you one more thing. As an affiliate, you have the option also to promote their other offers, and that would be WriteAppReviews or social sale rep or paying social media jobs. That means that all of these three, including paid online writing jobs for products, are coming from the same founder, from the same people. We don't know who is behind them, but most likely there is only one owner that has all of these four products, and they're related to each other, meaning once you apply for one, they already have your email address, and you might be getting a lot of offers from the other three that basically are the same. They just need you to sign up to pay for the other one and go through the upsell process. So that's the way how they make money. And here is also the proof. If you go to reachoutaffiliates.com, and they offer all of these four products that I just mentioned, and I also did a review on them. And on top of it, they have like 6 more products that I haven't checked yet, but they're probably the same thing. So what to say at the end is paid online writing jobs a scam? I wouldn't call it a scam. As I already mentioned, it is a clickbank product and you can get your money back. You have a 60 days, so that's plenty of time to check the product and to find out whether you are satisfied with it or not, and eventually ask for the money back. It's an easy process, and I already created a video showing how to get the money back. You can check it above. So let me tell you at the end that I personally don't recommend any of these four products. They're basically the same thing. The good thing is that since they are all clickbank products, you can get your money back, and you wouldn't lose any money, you would only lose the time. So think about that. If you have questions, let me know. I'll be happy to provide you feedback, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.